Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I'm Rizky Kurniawan from Management Class 22 with NPM 224111035. Well, this time we will discuss material about company sensitive and complementary award station and motivation and job satisfaction from MSDM course. Understanding incentive and complementary award. Incentive and complementary award are a form of recognition and remuneration given by organizational leaders to employees who have got good performance. Incentives are gifts of money outside of salary given by organizational leaders of as recognition of employee performance to the company. Incentives are also useful for motivating employees to work. Bonus are reward given to employees for achievement predetermined target. Complementary compensation is a form of payment or reward given to employees as from their work and has two components: direct payment in the form of wage salaries, incentive, commission, and bonus, and direct payment in the form financial benefits such as insurance and vacation pay paid by the company. In providing reward and complementary compensation, companies must pay attention to the quality of work, quantity and work, and utilizing of employment work time. Providing incentive can influence employee performance, thereby increasing employee discipline and directing employee effort to achieve predetermined target. In managing reward and reward in the form of incentive for employees, company must pay attention to the main function of incentive, namely providing responsibility and encouragement to employees. As incentive must also be given to employees who can work beyond an established standard. The importance of motivation and job satisfaction on employee performance. Motivation greatly influences employee performance in a company. The workforce has great potential to carry out company activities. Two things related to performance are the employee's willingness or motivation to work, which give rise to employee effort, and the employee's ability to carry out motivation is a person's desire to do something due to encouragement from oneself or outside the employee. Motivation is divided into two, namely intrinsic motivation that comes from feeling of satisfaction in carrying out the work itself, and extrinsic motivation that is related to the rewards a person receives after doing the work. Job satisfaction is a general attitude toward work due to the difference between the amount of reward received and those that should be received, with many companies established to improve the country's economy. Companies have an important thing in carrying out their performance, namely the company employees. Companies and employees are two things that need each other. Of employees' success in bringing progress to the company, the benefit obtained will be reaped by both parties for employees' success in the actualization of one's potential, as well as an opportunity to fulfill one's life needs. Meanwhile, for companies, success is a means to the company's growth and development. As the development, companies often neglect managing their human resource. Human resources are an important asset that must be managed well by the company in order to provide optimal contribution. The workforce has great potential to carry out company activity. Employees are the most important production factor. Therefore, they must have the will and ability to carry out the tasks assigned by the company. Factors that can be used to improve employee performance at work include motivation and job satisfaction. Every individual must have the driving force to want to change within themselves. This driving force is called motivation. Employee the work motivation in an organization can be considered simple and can also be considered a complex problem, because basically humans are easy to motivate by giving what they want. Companies must also pay attention to job satisfaction, because employees at work do not feel comfortable, are less appreciated, or if they cannot develop all the potential they have, employees will automatically be unable to focus and concentrate fully on their work. The existence of human resource in a company plays a very important role. The workforce has great potential to carry out company's activity. The potential of every human resource in the company must be utilized as well as possible, so that it can provide maximum result. Companies and employees are to think that need each other. Motivation is not personal trait, but rather a person's drive to work of achieve a goal. Motivation is closely related for fulfilling individual needs, where the more a person's needs are met in organization, and the more motivated a person is to work as well as possible. The influence of motivation on employee performance to think related to performance are the employee willingness or motivation to work, which give rise to employee effort, and the employee ability to carry it out ability inherent in a person and is innate from birth and is manifest in his action at work. While motivation is a very important aspect to a drive person's creativity and ability to do a job, as well as always being enthusiastic in carrying out the work. Employees are able to do their work and want to achieve maximum result in their work. To achieve maximum performance, encouragement is needed to create will and enthusiasm for work, namely motivation. Motivation functions to stimulate employee abilities so that maximum performance result will be created. Motivation has a significant effect on employee performance. Work motivation is a person's desire to do something, the endorsement from themselves or from outside the employer. Apart from that, motivation can also be interpreted as encouraging employees to carry out their action toward work. That was a little discussion from the material complementary our session and motivation and job satisfaction. I hope this material can be useful for all of us. Please apologize If there are mistakes, thank you.